What's up, YouTube? What's up, Discord? You're looking at Intel, you're looking at NVIDIA, 6 months. Guess what chip you need to run an NVIDIA? Intel. This is my computer. AMD is a rival competitor, okay, with NVIDIA. How can NVIDIA run 260% and Intel doesn't keep pace when you need an Intel chip? And this is why, okay, back in March, I alerted my Discord members about this. Grossly oversold compared to AMD and NVIDIA. Looking good for longs and covered calls. And I'm putting out showing triple bottom. Guys, I alerted it at $24. 28 bucks. 28 bucks. 28. It's 38 right now in the AH. 37.45. 33%. But if you think that's like, oh, whatever. Guys, it's just a few months. March, April, May, June, July. 27th, 22nd. Right? Take a look at some of the crazy percents that we got along the way as big money started to pick this up. It goes like some of these options, guys, it goes like 2,600%. Calls 1,500% on the 29th. Where's the post that shows 2,500%? Okay, hold on a sec. Sorry. 8. And this is in what I call my 401k section. Okay, so my Discord, it's like me. I'm in here. I'm doing these callouts. Do you want to make money? Does that interest you? Does 2,600% on Intel going from 28 to 31 bucks, going up 8.6%, making 13,000 to 2,600%. What do you think is gonna happen tomorrow, guys? I'm on the same move. Same move, guys. This is an 8% move. 8.5%. We're at a 9% move. They're taking this to 10. This is what I told my Discord members to get in here. Okay? On the first pump. As soon as earnings came in hot. Buy shares. Not financial advice. Buy shares on this pump. There's nothing that's going to keep this down. And all it did was pump, 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 pump. Dump, pump, 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 pump. It's going to 10%. And that's just tomorrow. Who knows where it goes beyond this? Let's take a look at a longer chart. 69.29. Is this going to break up and out of this? Is it going to squeeze any shorts that are in the play? You bet your ass it is. Okay. I managed to make something on the scalp in the after hours. Here is my I traded some shares in the after hours, and I made 1,300 bucks. There's a lot of shares to only make 1,300 bucks, but I sold it about 36 and change. It's 37.50 now. It's gonna make quite a bit more, but I'm not greedy. I know, I can play the ups and downs. As you can see, I have orders open, and I'm trying to pick it up if it corrects. If it takes a dip, because I think that's smarter than trying to just follow the rip. I think 35.65. I might have to bump this up. 35.65. 35.66. Let's go with. So I'm gonna bump it up and try to catch this. I'm definitely not even gonna go for 48 EMA anymore. It's probably not coming back down below this level though. So 36.56. But I'll see what I can get. And the reason I have one down here is because dark pool orders are filling periodically at around that level, which is hilarious. If you're just so lucky to get it. It happened to me today. Picked it up at 34 and change when it was at 36 and change. And I immediately sold. So, but this is the kind of alerts that go out in the Discord, guys. We had eyes on Micron today. It was Micron or AMAT that one of these two is up over 4,000% today on the options. Okay, we have eyes on that. We play down as well, though. We don't just play up. So, you know, we had some people on the Carvana puts, right? They did like a share offering, and they don't make any money. So we had some people making some money there. SPY. Okay, I've been talking about SPY all day. The puts for 453, I believe, they were 5 cents at open. They went down to 1 cent, and they finished the day at 46 cents, but they went as high as like $1.79, I believe we had. Guys, $1.79 from 5 cents. So if you got them on open, okay, it's 3,580% return in one day. Even if you put $10 on that, right? You made 358 bucks. Yeah. If you put $100 in, you made 3,500. If you were batshit crazy and you put $1,000 in, you made $35,800 in a single day, right? And don't think that this stuff isn't happening over here. Then I'm just bullshitting you guys. We'll just go into the gain section. Take a look what we got going on in there today. So we got this guy fishing. He says thanks, and he made 2,000 bucks on love, which I alerted in the morning before the market opened. They had bad earnings. I alerted it the entire day. Okay, here it is at 7:15 in the morning. Okay, and 8:51 and 9:14, and we're discussing it, pushing towards minus 10% on the day. Okay, and he looks like he sold at around minus 7%. He made 2,000 bucks. My Discord pays for itself. Been telling people this forever. Meta puts 2,500 bucks. AMD, BBIG, Scatdan, Norwegian Cruises. We follow the cruise lines. Trend is your friend. He's been doing hot. Thousands of dollars in here. 200% on cost. This doesn't belong there. I need to delete that. That's supposed to be in main. All in good time. I'm gaining so much confidence in here. I was a junk stock hopper before you. Now I'm turning into a trader. I can't say thank you enough, Kevin. You and this Discord are going to change my life. I can feel it. We had a member get $1 million, guys. From January until July, last week, Wednesday, $1 million from $6,400. I don't care if you believe me or not. This is irrelevant. The Discord will grow and continue with or without trolls if you believe me or you don't believe me. I did a video with it, 3-hour video. He's discussing it with us. He's posted every single trade in this gain section. He has losses. He has wins along the way. $1 million. If you found this video, maybe like, you know, divine intervention, fate, maybe they're saying, maybe you should go in this guy's Discord and check it out. Because worst case scenario, you spend 20 bucks and you're going to learn something and maybe make money. Best case scenario, it changes your life. You know, or you don't. Or you go down the path of you don't and you keep doing what you're doing. And if it's been working for you, cool. And if it hasn't been working for you, that's why. Because you won't change. You won't join a Discord. Because it's a paid Discord. I bust my balls all day for this Discord. It's freaking 5 p.m. I've been at it since 6 in the morning. 11 hours. 5, 6 days a week, holidays. I go fishing. I'm tweeting from the boat. Do you think I want to do that? No, but I do. Because I want to help these guys. I want to create millionaires. It's that simple. I want to do it. I want to create more millionaires. 100%. 100%. 400%. Small gains. 400%. He's gotten greedy. He doesn't even realize. It's not about the dollar amount. It's about the percents. If he had 10 contracts, he's making 4,590 or whatever he had on there. RCL, because we cover CCL, NCLH, and RCL. Woo! Hundreds of dollars. Started the day off with a bunch of money. 126% start the day. Right? Hundreds of percent, guys, all the time. 67%. Microsoft, big companies, Google, Gap, right? Goldman Sachs, Neo, Carvana. We're not trading penny pumps. Teladoc. We're trading all sorts of stocks, and look at all the different names. Look at all the different people. What was that one that was just on there? That I just saw flashing on there. Where did it go? I don't know what happened to it. Someone actually made money on AMC on Friday. Calls. So even that, I mean, you know, people will dip, but people will dip into it, but I don't know. If, like I said, if what you're doing is working for you, cool. Don't join. No problem. No skin off my back. If it's not working for you and you've somehow come across this video, there's a reason. Something put this video in front of you today and said, click his link in the description. Don't join through YouTube because it's a pain in my ass. I only have it there for people who, for some reason, join through YouTube. You know, I don't want to lose them, but it is a pain in the ass. Join through the link, come in the Discord, see for yourself. It's that simple. Premium, you get access to all of my classes. I do a course once a month. There's like 8 courses right now. Backlog for you to look into. The next one is August. I'm doing them every week before the 3rd week of the month because that's the most heavy volume date. So the next class is August 12th. If you're premium, you get to come for free. Okay, all the time. And you get access to all the old classes. So that's over 40 hours of content. I know similar YouTubers that will charge you $800 for the exact same stuff that I talk about and teach and go over. And mine are interactive. You come in and you ask me the questions that are on your mind and I answer them. It's not just random whatever I feel like teaching you. And hopefully that one, you know, applies to you. Meet Kevin, it's thousands of dollars. A lot of these YouTubers, it's $200 a course. I don't know, you know, cool. But I charge $69 for premium, and I include the Discord and every call out and every alert. Fucking months, 18 years of trading experience. I don't know. I showed this the other day. 57,586 posts in less than 1 year. 57,586 divided by 365. I'm posting like 158 times a day, guys. No bots. It's all me, manually. And then that's just an average. So obviously weekdays, much higher, because that's when all of everything is happening live, right? I have a section in the resources to teach you a lot of stuff, and has a lot of tools in there to help you. So if you come out with, if you bail in a month, you're coming out with a lot, because that resources section alone, it ain't worth $20. It's worth thousands of dollars. I'm telling you right now. That's it. I gotta get the word out, pat myself on the back, let people know how early the alerts went down on this play in here. Okay, do I get every play right? No. Do I get almost every one of my 401k plays right? Yes. Because I don't put a bunch in there. There's maybe 15 stocks in there at this point. quality stocks. That's why they're in the 401k section. Quality, undervalued, underpriced stocks. I hope to make some people some more money. I hope to see some new faces in here. Please, again, use the link in the description. Don't go through YouTube, for the love of God. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Well, sorry, we got one more day tomorrow. Bank of Japan rates in the morning. Who knows what's going to happen? Good chance that there is a nice rug pull because the markets have pumped for 14 straight days and 8 straight months. So it's about time for a bit of a peel back. That's what I got for you guys. Free.